Welcome to the special tutorial on how to set up your server to the highest security as a server admin. Sometimes you have to set up admins to make sure they keep running your server good. And in this tutorial, we're going to help you set up a very secure server so you won't get hacked or somebody comes and messes up your server. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is to make sure that we're already signed in to Teamspeak 3. Make sure that you already use your privilege key to sign in as administrator. Go into Settings, Options, Applications, and make sure the Advanced Permission Settings is set on. Press OK after that, and then we're going to go to Permissions, Server Groups, and we're going to see all the permissions that we have so far. The next step is right-click on Server Admin and click on Copy. On the target name, type Admin and press OK. The following step you're going to do is, while you are selected as admin, go into Client, scroll down where it says Channel Group Permissions. You're going to unselect that. Then after that, we're going to Group, Modify, and where it says Group Modify Power or 75, remember, this is the power of the server admin. That's you, the owner. We're going to lower it down to 70. We're also going to lower down the group member add power to 70. Also, the group member remove power to 70. And the previous modify power to 70 as well. At the same time, let's go to Channel, go to Access, and we're going to unselect Ignore Channel Passwords. The next steps we're going to take is to make sure that we're still under Channels, Access, and where it says Channel Join Power, Channel Subscribe Power, and Channel Description VL Power, make sure those are changed to 70 as well. 75 is Server Admin. The next step we're going to take is, while still under admin, let's go into Group, Information, and we're going to make sure we deselect View List of Server Group Permissions. After that, what we're going to do is to go to Create, and this is a choice that you have to make. You can either let your admins create new server groups or new channel groups. That is your decision. After that, the icon ID. Double click and select the icon that you want. However, if you want to upload your own icons, make sure they're 16 by 16 pixels and they're in a PNG format. The next step we're going to take is go into Client. Go to Client, Information, and where it says View Client Remote Address, have that unchecked. That way your admins cannot see other people's IP but you. However, this is your choice. If you wish them to want to see it, make sure it's selected. Then let's go to Admin. This is the powers that you give your admins to do on your server for anybody below them. What we're going to do is make sure that all of them that do not say needed change to 70. So this one will change to 70, kick client from server, kick from channel power, client back from server power, client move power, client complain power, and always leave the needed client kick for yourself. The next step we're going to do is to make sure that we are on Client, Basics, and when we see Private Message Power, let's change that to 70. Also, let's go into Modify and deselect Create Server Query Account. One of the most important things that you have to do to make sure nobody takes over your server is go to Virtual Server, Administration, and even your admins. Deselect View List of Available Privilege Keys or Create New Privilege Key. You can create privilege keys for your admins if you see them trustworthy to have your server admin. But with this, they will not be able to create keys for anybody or themselves. Now that you have placed all these settings, a new server group admin has been created. One thing you can do is, if you go to Guildshout's control panel, you can see the server group creation. Hit edit, and all the settings that we saw on Teamspeak will be shown here. You could do the same kind of settings or settings creations on the Guildshout control panel step by step as well. As you can see, 70 and not 75. If you want to create rooms that nobody else can access but only server admins, what you could do is create a channel, and when you're in permissions, just make sure that on join, subscribe, and all of these above are all above 75. By doing that, nobody else can access but you. If you have any questions, you can contact us through the live help at guildshout.com, or you can email us at support@guildshout.com.